Here we have the problem that solve log 10 to the base 10 raised to 5. For solving the question, we need to know two basic laws in logarithm. They are log a to the base a is equal to 1 and log a to the base m raised to n is equal to n into log a to the base m. Okay, so I am writing the question once again here. Log 10 to the base 10 raised to 5. This is equal to 5 into log 10 to the base 10. This is from equation number 2. So next is 5 into 1. Here log 10 to the base 10 will be equal to 1 as per equation number 1. Sorry. Equation number 1 and equation number 2. This is equation number 1 and the answer will be 5. Log 10 to the base 10 raised to 5